Our next two maths lessons are going to be looking at block diagrams. A block diagram can be used to show data that has been collected. But why do we collect data? Let's find out.
We can see that these people enjoy eating ice cream, but they don't all seem to like the same flavour. How could we find out what flavour most people enjoy and what might be their least favourite flavour? Well, we could try asking them a question.
Excuse me,
Hello.
do you like ice cream?
I love ice cream.
Excuse me, do you like ice cream?
I love ice cream, yeah.
So, was that the right question to ask if you want to know this person's favourite flavour? No. All we know is that they like ice cream, but not what their favourite flavour might be. We need to ask the right questions to get the right data, the facts. The useful facts that will tell us what we need to know.
What's your favourite ice cream?
My favourite ice cream is chocolate.
Vanilla! Mine's chocolate. Strawberry.
Has to be toffee. What about yours?
Strawberry and cream. Mint chocolate chip. What's your favourite ice cream? Chocolate chip mint. Strawberry. Vanilla.
If you've got a tricky problem and you don't know what to do, if you ask the proper questions, then the data will help you. What's your favourite ice cream flavour?
Strawberry.
Really not a better way than finding out the data way. You can do the job today. Collect the data straight away.
So now the children have the data, the facts about people's favourite ice cream. But it's no good if it's all in a muddle. It's still difficult to clearly see what flavour most people prefer. The data has got to be sorted out.
Each one of these cards is going to be a vote for one type of ice cream. So if you've got someone who's voted for mint choc chip, you place one ice cream card in the mint choc chip pile. So now the children are beginning to sort their data.
I've got a few saying mint chocolate chip. And I've got some chocolate. And I've got some vanilla.
Well, we've got all the votes for the different ice cream flavours in their own different piles. But it still isn't easy to see which is the most popular.
Chocolate.
But if they put the cards in columns, it will be easier to see which is the most popular and also the least popular ice cream flavour. Arranging things like this is called a block graph. And now we can really see what's going on.
I can see that mint chocolate chip is more popular than strawberry. Strawberry has the same number as chocolate.
But look what got the most number of votes.
Mint choc chip.
So which flavour is the least popular?
Cream tea has the least number. And so is the least popular ice cream.
So today we're going to be looking at block diagrams. This block diagram shows the favourite colours of a group of children. How is it the same and how is it different to a pictogram? That's right, block diagrams use blocks instead of pictures to show their data. Sometimes these can be clearer to read. I can see here that 4 people liked blue best of all and only 2 liked yellow. How many children chose green as their favourite colour? This little boy recorded the weather every day in the month of January. If I added up the frequency column, it should make 31, as there are 31 days in January. I can see on the right that he has his graph ready to insert his data. I can also see down the bottom of his graph that he has put the key. Each block that he will colour is worth 1 day of weather. And here is his completed block diagram. It's really clear to read. Our next block diagram is different. What do you notice about it? That's right, it has a different key. This time, one block is worth 2 days of weather. So this time, the little boy will need to look really carefully at the block diagram in order to fill out the table on the left. Every time he looks at the diagram, he must remember what? Yes, that's right, that every block is now worth 2. So there are 6 sunny days. Looking at the cloudy ones, there are 10 cloudy days. Now, the rainy days are more tricky because half of a block has been coloured very carefully. So I can see that there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 rainy days. There were 4 windy days and just 2 snowy days. Pictograms and block diagrams can have any key, and it should be the first thing that you look for when you read a diagram, children. When might you think it be useful to have a key which is more than one? If we look at this information, it tells us how many pages that Liam reads each day. On Monday, he read 30 pages of his book, and on Friday, he read 50. Wow, that would be a lot of blocks to colour if each was worth just 1. What key would you choose to use here? Have a think. As all of the numbers are a multiple of 10, I think I would have chosen the key 1 block equals 10 pages read. And you can see here that he did choose 1 block equals 10. He then tried 1 block equals 5. This could also work as all of the numbers are in the 5's count. When he used the key of 1 block is 5 pages, he had to colour more blocks to show his data. Anyway, enough of me talking, children. Now it's your turn to go off and build some block diagrams of your own. You might need to choose a key, so think very carefully before starting your work. Also, remember to work really neatly. When you colour to show your information, you must keep in the lines, especially if you're only colouring half a block. We must be able to read your information clearly. Good luck!